Okay, Doodles, taking advantage of a brief break in the rain, getting out for a bank holiday Monday ride. You see, it's another nice bright day today. A bit chillier again than yesterday. But still nice to be out and about. Not sure what route we're going to take today. Might try and go somewhere I've not been before, so I don't remember any of the turns. Sounds like fun. I have a car with a roof and a heater and everything. And yet the draw of coming out on two-wheeled in a big helmet and a daft coat is just there. What is that? Novelty. Pretty certain it's just novelty. Just slightly different route today for a change. See if I can catch myself out of it and go on some roads I don't use very often. Well, not often these days. Some different corners and whatnot. Varying speed limits. It's nice that most of the national speed limits are now set to 50 around here though, instead of 60. Means it's usually attainable on the grom, even with the fat lad behind the bars. Nice, a nice fight.
Longer than a few minutes later.
The things you see. Apparently they rubbed mirrors and then he started chasing him. Keep an eye out up here just in case there's any more shenanigans, I suppose. Live about a bike. Lovely. Oh, a single cow on its own. It's an omen. Doot, 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 doot. Doot, 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 doot. Doot, 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 doot. And back again. Because life's about the journey, not the destination. Is it? Surely that's got to be the other way around. Because if you go into Barbados on holiday, surely like the beaches and all that are what life's about, not the 14-hour plane ride, the terrible bus transfer, getting strip searched and cavity searched at the airport. No, I don't know. If that's your thing, I suppose that could be part of the holiday. But I'm kind of thinking that the sandy beaches and the sunshine of your destination rather than the journey. So is that true? Which way round should it be? Life's about the destination, not the journey. So don't worry about the hardships on the way to getting there. Or life's about the journey, not the destination. Don't worry about the end of it, enjoy getting there. Thought for the day. Some people do Bible quotations, I do strange stuff that's in my head. May surprise you to know none of this is planned either. It's all nonsense that just pops up on the way round. Mrrr. Don't move that cow. Camera's on the wrong side so you can't see a cow now, you just think I make mooing noises for fun. Yeah, I suppose sometimes I do make noises for fun. Mooing's a new one though, I don't do mooing very often. I feel like that fight thing might have been the highlight of the day. Could all be downhill from here. Oh, and there we go downhill, look at that. As if by magic. And that's the end of another fun ride. Thanks for joining, folks. Hope you enjoyed some of the irrelevant noises. And we'll pass somewhere